Alright, here's a look at the what's left of the old U of R townhouse. This down here was a parking lot. And that trailer right there is the old Mount Hope Professional Building. Behind Goler House is the old Wegmans, later a parking lot. And now the parking lot down here. This is making way for the College Town project. That townhouse has been kind of an eyesore for years. Built, I think, in the 50s. Oh, okay. Not sorry to see that go. There's not too much left of it. Of course, from the Strong Hospital parking garage where I'm shooting this. East Drive down here. Just a quick update on how this is taking shape. Mount Hope Avenue is over there. Elmwood Avenue over there. And that's going to be about it.